Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm here again with a new video regarding the linen sale website reviews. And in this video, I'll also explain linen sale website is a scam or legit. So let's get started, guys. As you can see, this is the homepage of this website, and the company is offering 10% discount code for the first order. So you can take a look at the discount code. So here you can find the extensive collection of various products. Basically, this company is dealing with variability of products such as food processors, microwave and stand mixers, mini refrigerator, dishwashers, game things, mobile phone and many more accessories. Here you can see some short information regarding the shipping, free returns, secure shopping and quality guaranteed. So guys, this is not our website, but yes, the review is unbiased. You'll get to know about the genuine information and reviews about this website. And let's take a look at the entire information. So let's take a look at the privacy policy. So here you'll find the privacy policy of this company, and you can get the answers to various questions. Now let's take a look at the FAQs section. So here you will get some questions related to payment, website, delivery, shipping, etc. And about the payment part, here you can see mode of payment is online, that is Discover Card, American Express, MasterCard, PayPal and Visa cards. So this is the list of questions that you can see and read. Now let's take a look at the shipping and delivery information. So under the normal circumstances, it takes 2 to 5 days to process your order. And after the goods are delivered, the company will send the tracking number of your order to you through an email. So yeah, the company accepts returns within 45 days of receipt for most items in new condition. And the return shipping is free, which is amazing deal. Now let's take a look at the contact us information, because this is one of the most important parts of a website that shows legitimacy or scam. So yes, the email is available on the website, which is service001@manyhnice.com. So you can connect with the customer's representative via this email. And if you have any issue, so you can read and check FAQs or exchange, return and refund policy. But yes, we can see the address is missing, so official address is not available on the website. And let's take a look at the menu option. So here we can see the extensive collection of coffee makers, dishwashers, food processors, microwaves, mini refrigerators, stand mixers, etc. So guys, I wanna tell you some important things as well that you need to consider while online shopping. Like, you need to check the website URL, contact information on the website, website privacy policy, and yes, website reviews as well. So we can see there are no website reviews available on the website. But yes, according to the research and study, it is found that many customers are satisfied with the service of this company, and few dispensed with few problems. like of delivery issues. But yes, most of the customers were satisfied and they've also praised the firm's hard work and the effectiveness of its facilities. And guys, this site has SSL certificate which also show legitimacy. So yes, this website is legit, not a scam. And for further information, you can read the entire information given on the website. So I think I have done with the entire information. The review is unbiased and we are not promoting this website. So make sure if you had some bad experience with this company, then you can comment in the comment box section, and it will also benefit to other customers while doing online shopping. So hit the video, like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much. I'll get back to you with more scam alerts or legit websites. Have a good day.